Well, this is phenomenal. I'd just like to say thank you all for subscribing and thank you so much for all the support you've been giving me. I've had so many comments asking for advice, giving me words of encouragement, and sometimes picking up on my mistakes. And I appreciate every single one of you. Please keep watching, commenting, and spreading the word. I really want to build this into something great where it's the one place that you can come to get all the information that you need to become a better photographer and a videographer. There'll be no faffing, no waffling on about how my day has gone, and no burying the title content deep in the video. I'll tell you what I'm going to do in the title and the thumbnail. I'll have a really short intro and then I'll get right to the point. So you'll get the information that you need, nothing more, nothing less. I also try to reply to every single comment that I get. So if you have a question or a query, or have found a mistake and want to correct me, leave a comment below or get in contact with me through email. Also, if you've subscribed to my weekly email, I've been pretty rubbish at keeping up with these. I'm going to make a concerted effort to get an email out every week from now on. If you haven't subscribed to my weekly email, go to my website and scroll to the bottom of my homepage. Fill in your details and you'll get an email every week with notifications of what videos I've done and what videos are coming up. I'll also put a section in there of any interesting photo news I think that would be worthwhile sharing. So once again, thank you so much for subscribing.